Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's your girl Bianca, aka Balenciaga Mama, aka Queen Bee, and I'm back, y'all, with another vlog. I know I just look. Anyways, I woke up not too long ago. I just took a shower and I'm going to class. So this is a day in the life. Y'all have been asking for this for a long time and it's here right now. I'm late, so that's why I didn't film brushing my teeth and taking a shower and stuff like that. So let's head out because I'm late. I have 10 minutes to get to my class and it's a long walk, so let's go. Going down. I just finished my first class and I'm going to my second class. I'm so tired, but okay, it's whatever. I'm going to my second class and it's like a 10-minute walk if I hurry up, and I have 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes to get there actually. So I'll see y'all in class. I know I'm not talking much, but then yeah, y'all, it is, I'll show y'all the time. It is currently 9:52, so yeah, and I'm walking into my class now, so I'll see y'all. I am actually back at my dorm now. I forgot I had a my next class was at 11 o'clock, so I got there. I'm like, why is the class not open? Then I checked the time and it was at 11, and I didn't forget. But then my schedule changed because I had a late add to my class, so my schedule changed and yeah, whatever. Now I have an hour. The time is currently, I don't know what the time is. Where's my phone at? Anyways, well, I have a package I wanted to open. Yeah, I have a package I wanted to open, so we're gonna open this and enjoy it. This is from Ulta. I got some things from Ulta. This is a huge box and it doesn't even feel that heavy. Why is it so big? But anyways, let's open the package. Should I take a okay, y'all, let's open the package now. Y'all could see. It's so huge. I don't know why it's so big. I'm so excited. Hopefully, it is so big. They didn't put the other one in. I'm sad. They didn't put the other one. The lighting is not so great, y'all. I'm sorry about that. Okay, so I have these. And oopsie. What is this? And from Ulta. Okay, I didn't put that on, so it's okay. I got the ordinary. This is so cute. Ooh. I'm gonna take a picture of this. This is so cute. Let's take a picture. There we go. This is cute. Look at that. So it has 5 things in here. It has niacinamide, which I already have. It has hyaluronic acid, which I always wanted. Well, I used to use it back home, but yeah, it has caffeine solution, salicylic acid mask, and the moisturizer. Let's open it. Ooh, this is so cute. This is so huge. Ha ha ha. I got it, y'all. Yikes, if you can open it. I actually want to get something to eat. I'm so hungry, so we have to hurry up. Oh, I see how they open it. So, okay, let me put you a little bit lower. Okay, so it's, yikes. Ah, they all mixed up. This is so huge, actually. Look at, okay, this one was supposed to be there. So let's pretend it's actually there. That's how it's supposed to be. Ha 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 ha. Look at that, y'all. I love the packaging. It's so cute. So yeah, this is all I got from Alta. And this is so huge. Like, compared to the ones I have, it is big. Like, this is the full size. And I've never had the big one, so hopefully it lasts me. I'm gonna be using this and showing y'all. So let me show y'all. Hopefully y'all can see there. There we go. And then the niacinamide. There you go. Why am I blurry now? And then the caffeine solution. I've never used this before, so can't wait to use it. And I've never used this one too. Oh, it's black. That's interesting. This one. And lastly, I have this one, but I have like the smaller one. Eee. And this one. So yeah, that is it for the unboxing. Y'all love unboxing videos apparently. Well, y'all better subscribe because these unboxing videos come with the cost. I actually bought this, okay? It's not sponsored. But if y'all want to sponsor me, please, the Ordinary, I'd love a sponsor. Anyways, y'all, I think I want to get something to eat. I'm not sure. I'm hungry. But I don't know if I'll have time to get to my next class. So I'll see y'all after, I don't know. Let me check the time.
Who are you looking at? Forensic science. So with forensic science,
I was just working on my coding.
You missed?
Yeah.
Who was that?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Sometimes you write.
I'm about to have some lunch now. Let me show y'all what they have. They have tacos, but I'm not really a taco person, so we'll have to see about that. They have rice. And beans, maybe. I just finished with my class now. And I have one more class that starts in 25 minutes, around 20 minutes. So I have like 10 minutes to get there. And then I'm done for the day. It is currently 1:37. I'm tired, but we almost done. See y'all.
How do they grow their business? What's the key thing that a mom and pop shop has over, say, a mom and pop grocery store? What's their, lived in a little teeny tiny, it was even called the Village, Franklin Village. We had one cop. And it was on the outskirts of Detroit, northwest part of the metropolitan area.
I just finished with class like a few minutes ago, maybe like 20 minutes ago, but I needed to use the bathroom, so I'm going to my dorm. Now I'm on my way to a meeting, and then yeah, so I'm on my way to my meeting now, but I want to get some coffee before I go there, so I'm trying to rush. At least the sun is out a little. Ooh. I just got done with the meeting and I'm heading back to my dorm now. We're going to the gym now at 5. The time is currently 4:05. Ooh. Ooh. So yeah, we're heading to the gym now. I'll see y'all. I want to go change. I need to use the bathroom real quickly. I want to change. And then we head to the gym at 5. So I still have like an hour left. And I'll meet y'all at the gym, or I'll show you my fit when I change. So see y'all. I'm done just for the gym, and we're about to head out with my friends. Y'all can't see, but this is the outfit, gym outfit. So this quick OOTD. This is from H&M. This I got from Cotton On, and my shoes from Walmart. And yeah, we're about to head out. See y'all. Say hi, Kelly. I'm finally back to my dorm. We just had dinner, and what else? Yeah, we just had dinner with chewing, and I'm tired. But I'm going to my friend's dorm to study, so I'm not gonna film that because it's gonna be too long. So I'm tired. I'm tired, but I'm just gonna study for like 1 hour or something, and then come take a shower and go to bed. But that is gonna be it for this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. If you've made it this far, drop pink hearts in the comment. Thank y'all for watching this video. Hope hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Please also comment down below what you'd like to see from me going forward. See y'all. Bye.